let's now have the estimating of sums and differences of decimal numbers. So let us first have the estimation of the sum of decimal numbers. So to do this, we have to round off the given decimals to the nearest whole number, and then we add them. So as you can see here, we have the problem: estimate the sum of 14.27 and 26.782. So to round off these given decimal numbers to whole number, we always look at the place value once, and then the digit beside it to its right, which is the tens. So let's have 14.27. The digit that is in the ones place is 4, and the digit that is in the tens place is 2, or the number beside it to its right. Again, in rounding off, if the number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, you round down, meaning you will not do anything to the digit that you are rounding off. But if the digit beside the number you are rounding off is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that is the time that you will add 1 to the digit that you are rounding off. In this case, the digit that we are rounding off is 4, and the number beside it to its right is 2, so we need to round down, meaning we will not do anything with the digit 4. So therefore, the rounded off value of 14.27 is only 14. So we do not need to put the zeros after your whole number. So just simply write 14. How about 26.782? So the digit on the ones place is 6. This is the number that we will round off, and the number beside it to its right is 7. So since it is 7, we need to round up. When we round up, we need to add 1 to the digit that we are rounding off. So in this case, this is 6, so plus 1, it will become 7. So the estimated value of 26.782 is 27. Now, since we're done rounding them off, we can now get the estimated sum. So 14 plus 27, 7 plus 4 is 11, regroup 1, 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. So the answer now here is 41. Next, this time estimating the difference of a decimal numbers. So when we say difference, we will do subtraction. So to do that, round off. It's similar to the previous discussion that we had a while ago. Round off the given decimal numbers to the nearest whole number, and then we subtract. So here is the problem. Estimate the difference between 86.825 and 53.03. Let us start with 86.825 first. So we need to round off this decimal number into a whole number. So we need to get the ones digit. So this is 6. And then look at the digit to its right. So since this is 8, 6 now here will become 7. So therefore, 86.825, if we round off this number to the nearest whole number, it will become 87. How about 53.03? The digit on the ones place is 3, and the number beside it to its right is 0, so we need to round down. Again, when we round down, we will not do anything to the digit that we are rounding off. So 3 here will stay the same, and then just copy 5. So we now have 53. We can now subtract the 2, so 87 minus 53, 7 minus 3 is 4, 8 minus 5 is 3, therefore the answer is 34. Next, we have estimate the sum of 76.21, 98.528, and 123.24. So 76.21, the estimated value of this is, or the rounded off value of this, so this is 6, and the number beside it is 2, so we need to round down, so it will stay as 76. 98 0.528. The digit here is 8. The number beside it to its right is 5. So we need to round up. 8 here will become 9. So we have 99. 123.24. The number on the ones digit is 3. And the digit to its right is 2. So we need to round down. Nothing will happen, or you will not do anything to the digit 3. So it will stay as 123. Since this is estimating the sum, we just need to add all the rounded value. So 76 plus 99 plus 123. So 6 plus 9 is 15, plus 3 is 18. Regroup 1. 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, 7 plus 2 is 19, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer now is 298. For the next one, we have this problem. What is the approximate value of 245.67 minus 37.914? So we need to round off each given number to the nearest whole numbers. So we have the following number. For this decimal number, the number on the ones digit is 5. The number beside it is 6. So we need to round up. So it will become 246. For the next number, we have 37.914. So this is 7. The number beside it is 9. So we need to round up again. So it will now become 38. Since we are looking for the difference, we need to subtract the 2. 6 minus 8 is not possible, so we need to borrow from 4. 4 will become 3. 6 here will become 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 3 minus 3 is 0. And then bring down 2. So the answer here is 208. Next, approximate the value of 342.12 minus the sum of 35.371 and 66.96. So we need to follow here the GEMDAS. We need to solve first the one that's inside the parenthesis. After that, we need to subtract. So let us get the rounded off of the number 35.371 and 66.96. So let us round off. This is 5, the number beside it is 3, so round down, so it will stay as 35. This is 6, the number on the right is 9, so round up, 6 now will become 7, so it will now become 67. So plus 5 plus 7 is 12, regroup 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 6 is 10. So this is now 102. Next, we need to get the rounded off value of 342 before we subtract. So this is 2. The number beside it to its right is 1. So round down, it will now become 342. Let us now subtract. So 342 minus the answer a while ago, which is 102. So that is, so this is subtraction. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer here, or the final answer, is 240. Next, what is the approximated sum? Sum means addition of the following decimal numbers: 256.93, 34.56, 458.323, and 125.67. So we have 256.93, 34.56, 458.323, 125.067. So let us round off each number to the nearest whole number. So this is 6. The number beside it is 9. So round up. So it will now become 257. Next, 34.56. This is 4. The number beside it is 5. So round up. So it will become 35. This is 8. The number beside it to its right is 3. So round down. It will stay as 458. Next is 5. The number beside it is 0, so it will stay as it is. So round down. Next, since we rounded off each number to the nearest whole number, we can now add everything, or we can now add all the add-ins given. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. So 5 regroup 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Plus 2 is 17. Carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So the answer now is 875. How about this one? Estimate 3,525.06 minus 847.937. So let us round off each number to the nearest whole number. So the first number, this is 5, and the number beside it to its right is 0. So round down, it will stay as 3,525. 847, the number beside 7 is 9, so round up, 7 will become 8, so it will become 848. The operation is subtraction. 5 minus 8 is not possible, so we need to borrow from 2. 2 will become 1, 5 will become 15. 15 minus 8, that is 7. 1 minus 4 cannot be, borrow from 5, 5 will become 4. 1 here will become 11. 11 minus 4 is 11 minus 4 here is 7. Next, 4 minus 8, not possible. Borrow from 3. 3 will become 2. 4 will become 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Next, bring down 2. So the answer here is 2,677. Next, let us now solve the last number. So find the estimated value of this given. So we need to look for the sum of this first. So 467.34 and 598.542. So round off, this is 7. The number beside it is 3, so it will stay as 467. This is 8. The number beside it is 5, so round up, so it will now become 599. So add 9 plus 7 is 16. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. Carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So the answer is 1066. Next, round off 703.65 to the nearest whole number. This is 3. The number beside it is 6. So round up, it will become 704. Let us now subtract 166 minus 704. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 0 is 6. 0 minus 7 is not possible. Borrow. This will become 0. This one will become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. So the final answer is 365.